Shares of Joby sinking after the company said it's offering shares with an aggregate price of $500 million. Our chart of the day, Josh Brown owns it. He joins us now on the phone. I mean, this is a key stock and a key theme. I think you call it the low-altitude economy, right?
Yeah, so I'm an investor in Joby and Archer. Joby's down less than 8% on the day, which is fairly tame. The stock is actually higher than where they placed this offering at $16.85. So this reminds me of Tesla. The bears used to say, oh, Elon's running out of money. There's going to be a secondary. They're going to dilute you. They're going to dilute you. And then they would do a massive secondary, and the stock would go up 20%. And the bears would be like, wait, I don't understand what just happened. What you have to understand with these companies that are pre-revenue in developmental stage of their business is that the fact that they can do a secondary is the bullish part. Look how fast that stock was taken down. It's $500 million worth of stock at a 9% discount to last night's close. They snapped it up like it was an amuse-bouche. And that's the bullish aspect. Look at the demand that's there to be invested in the low-altitude economy. So I actually think it's great news. This is not selling insiders. This is money that's going to be used to build out the vertiports now that they've acquired the blade business, and to continue to build the S4 eVTOL, which is going to be what this business is all about. You need a lot of money in order to do that, and that's where this capital raise is coming from. So I love it, and if the stock gets materially cheaper, as you know, I will continue to add.
What's the other way you're playing this beyond this stock? There's another one, isn't there?
I look at this one as like the Uber of the skies. They want to be in the taxi business, along with military and emergency service applications. Archer, I think of more like a Boeing. They actually want to make the midnight craft and sell it to other companies. I'm not sure which is going to be the winning strategy, but they're the numbers one and two plays. One other thing I want the viewers to understand, a little bit of inside baseball. There's an IPO coming, a company called Beta, which is going to be a very well-capitalized, very respected player in this field. I think it was smart of Joby to get out ahead of that and raise money before that new source of supply came on, new shares for a new company in the space. So if you're a long-term shareholder, that's what you want to see. You want to see these companies take advantage of prevailing liquidity, go out there and raise the money that they need to complete the build-out for full commercialization.
Yep. You have something to say?
Spoke to Josh about this when he mentioned these names, the fact that there potentially could be a equity raise. He discussed it. He didn't believe it was an impediment to investing. And you have to look at what has happened now as a form of a clearing event. If you priced and position sized accordingly, you expected this, and you're fine on the other side. Just ride out volatility of down 8% one day.
Yeah. Josh, thanks, man. Appreciate you coming on, calling in, and discussing this drop in shares and what you think about the big picture. Josh Brown.